Welcome back, beauty enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the LOYALHEARDDY Beauty Rolling Trolley Cart, a sleek and functional addition to any salon or spa. Let's get straight into it. First off, let's talk design. The transparent panel made of high-quality acrylic gives this trolley a modern and sophisticated look. It's not just a utility piece, it's a statement piece for your workspace. Plus, with dimensions of 18.1 inches in diameter, 15.8 inches in width, and 28.4 inches in height, it offers ample space to accommodate various beauty tools and machines. Now, onto functionality. This trolley is a heavyweight champ, boasting a remarkable 100 pounds load-bearing capacity. Whether it's holding beauty machines or storing serums and tools, it's got you covered. And those universal wheels? They're not just any wheels. They're wear-resistant and equipped with brakes to keep the trolley steady while you work your magic. Let's not forget about convenience. The storage tray in the middle provides extra space for organizing your essentials, keeping everything within arm's reach. And speaking of arms, the ergonomically designed curved armrest on the top panel ensures easy maneuverability. It's the little details like this that make a big difference in your day-to-day operations. In conclusion, the LOYALHEARDDY Beauty Rolling Trolley Cart is more than just a piece of furniture. It's a game-changer for your salon or spa setup. With its stylish design, impressive load-bearing capacity, and thoughtful features, it's sure to elevate your workspace to new heights. So why wait? Upgrade your salon today and experience the difference for yourself. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.